Hello, my people. This is what is trending now in Nigeria. They say Igbo people should go. So, if Igbo people should go, so Lagos will remain for only Yorubas. Is it only Igbo people that are in Lagos? No. Fulanis are there, the Shekris are there, the Hausas are there. There are many people that is in Lagos. Why would it be only Igbos that you want them to go? No, it's not done. My people. That is what is trending now in the country. And people should go. Where are they going to? In the Constitution, it's not written. It was not written like that. That we should not live peacefully among ourselves. So you should think it well, because Igbo people, we are one. Is it because of they've developed Lagos? During the 2023 election, is it because they voted for Obi to win in Lagos State, or they voted for Obi to win in Abuja? That is why you are jealous of Igbo. And they are very peaceful people. They are not making any problem. Whatever you say they abide by it. Whatever you said they should do. Why now that you said Igbo people should go? We are one in Nigeria. So let us live in one accord, peacefully. The Southeast Caucus of the National Assembly has formally petitioned the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, demanding the immediate arrest and prosecution of individuals responsible for circulating the Igbo Must Go campaign on social media, citing violations under the Cybercrime Act. In a petition jointly signed by the caucus leaders, Senator Enyinaya Abaribe and the Representative Igariwe Enwo, the lawmakers condemned the social media campaign, which calls for the forced relocation of Igbo people from Lagos and Southwest State within 1 month. The campaign has gained traction on social media since onset of the nationwide End Bad Governance protest. The petition dated August 4, 2024 highlights a specific post, X, formerly Twitter, from the handle Lagos Spedia, which has since been deactivated. The post called on residents of South West States to expel the Igbo population by the end of August and urged Yorubas living in the Southeast to return home. The petition notes that after this initial post, other social media users have begun amplifying the call to action, further inciting tensions. The lawmakers expressed deep concern over the growing anti-Igbo rhetoric on social media, which they say has led to widespread attacks against the Igbo community. They accused the campaign promoters of attempting to incite violence by falsely claiming that the Igbo people are behind the ongoing protest against hardship and bad governance. Since this vile and bigoted tweet was sent out, social media, especially X, has been inundated with vitriol against the Igbo, with several accounts openly called for the extermination of Igbo. The petition states the lawmakers drew parallels between the current situation and historical events that led to tragic pogroms against the Igbo in the 1960s, warning that such rhetoric could lead to similarly devastating consequences. The Southeast Caucus argued that the anti-Igbo campaign violates the Nigerian Constitution and called on the Inspector General of Police to take swift action. This Igbo must go campaign contravenes the provisions of the Constitution, and its campaign champions must be brought to book. The petition asserts. The lawmakers urged the IGP to use this authority to identify, arrest, and prosecute those responsible for the campaign to the fullest extent of the law. They stress that justice must be served to defer future actions against any group in Nigeria, any ethnic group in Nigeria, emphasizing the importance of maintaining national unity and peace. Justice must be done and be seen to be done as deterrent to others who harbor such intentions, not only against the Igbos, but against any section of the country, the petition concludes. You see, my people, that is what we are saying, that we should be in one accord. I say one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Why is it that some other ethnic group are against others? They are against it, most especially now what the Yorubas are saying, that Igbos should go. Are we not one Nigeria? The Igbos, they want to be in their own as a Biafra, but you didn't allow them to go. Lead them to go and form their own country. You said no. Now you are driving them. If they should go, can you maintain Lagos? Or can you maintain the whole West? That you said they should go. You're just jealous. You are jealousing evil people. That's why we will not make the country move forward. I'm pleading that we should be in one accord so that peace will reign in Nigeria. Why all this? We are talking of bad government in Nigeria. You are now bringing another one again because of jealousy. Begging you, the whole Nigerians to be in one accord. Please, let's all of us be in one accord so that the peace will reign. This one will not help us. My people, what do you think about this? In your comment section, write your own opinion and comment on this channel and subscribe on the channel. Thank you and God bless. Amen.